Good morning. Uh, how public interest litigation history was commenced in India, even though that was entertained by other foreign countries. One S.P. Gupta, advocate, Supreme Court, sent a letter to Chief Justice. That letter was treated as public interest litigation. Then the question was raised, objected that there is no locus standi, so many things, but the Supreme Court held no locus standi is there. Any public can raise if it has the issues has to be settled or decided of public importance. Then so many things had happened thereafter. There were regulations, restrictions, because instead of filing public interest litigation, publicity interest litigations were filed. Chief Justice Iqbal, surprisingly on one early morning, when I entered GT court premises, he was sitting in the inside the GT Bar Association, and other advocates are stunned to observe it. Then I went interacted with him. Then I took him every place of GT Bar Association and told him that GT Bar Association has got a very archaeological history, because during the period of Nawab it was Goda Khana, horse shelter. Then I said the presidency court was first commenced at GT premises only, and lot of history I told him. Then he saw the atmosphere, the precarious situation of the GT premises. Then suo motu writ petition was taken. He renovated almost all things. He facilitated for water facilities and this toilet and other facilities. But now, those several years have gone. The yet to be concentrated by some other portfolio judge. This sort of that writ petition was that writ petition suo motu was prolonged for about 3 to 4 months. I was shown as amicus curiae in this matter. This is what happening. Okay, then the first time I filed a writ petition challenging the activities of the Advocate Association, MHAA, because at his residence, Mr. Karupan, my dearest friend, used to pass resolutions with stamped Napoleon Bonaparte figure in his letterpad and affixed on the notice board. So that I challenged, the other side objected, stating that the society interest, the High Court has got no jurisdiction. Then, but my argument before the High Court was that they are not either paying the rent or they are paying electric charges. Then, therefore, I said the premises was allotted only for the purpose of advocates to enjoy the benefit to assist the administration of justice. Thereafter, an association would have been formed. Therefore, the association cannot have that much of role claiming society and other things. But that was upheld by Chief Justice and Justice Sampath. And that case was being shown all over India, including Supreme Court, my case, Dr. G. Krishnamurti Sriramachi. The another case was that I filed public interest litigation not to convert the new secretariat which was proposed to be opened. But my argument in that case was that what I said, once results were declared and the chief minister yet to assume the office, in between lame duck cabinet, that is what the term used, is in charge. But this government, even without assuming the charge, they are removing and doing policy matter. That was my public interest litigation. That subsequently it was dismissed for so many reasons, and that judgment was upheld, causing lot of problem to. But however, one of my prayer was to sustain the library, which is most important for the our. Then I filed public interest litigation against the IPL. They are not paying income tax and other taxes, other entertainment tax, etc. That time the land senior counsel, who was, I think, I not remember, Advocate General, was opposing very stoutly, stating what this and that, not mental, all those things, shouting. But that was Justice B. Dhanapalan bench. Then he said, okay, I am admitting you, whatever you want to argue later on. But thereafter, that writ petition was allowed by Justice Iqbal, and as on date, still they are paying taxes. This multi-number, too big volume of my judgments are there. I can't express all those things. But here, one more case, very interesting case. The Rajasthan High Court indulged in curtailing the power of private colleges, imposing and compelling the students to sustain financial crisis. This is what AIR 2021 Rajasthan 118. This is Deepesh Singh Beniwal vs Union of India. They say, number one, the admission to MBBS course, that the students should submit bank guarantee against annual fees for entire course. Therefore, they say the institution can charge fee only for 1 year in accordance with the rules and not permissible to charge for the entire course. That was a ratio. They said you can, they relied SC 2003, SC 3724. Then they say locus standi. The writ petition was filed by an advocate, and it was a personal interest. But the division bench of Rajasthan said, even though it is personal interest litigation, if the court finds that there is a public interest, they can treat this petition as public interest. Therefore, uniform order was passed. You go through the entirety of judgment, it will enlighten you. And the TM Poi case, TM Poi case was deeply discussed. TMA Poi Foundation versus State of Karnataka case. Then Islamic Academy Education, State of Karnataka. These things were discussed about this. So therefore, the ground, education is essentially charitable activity which cannot be regarded as profession, trade or business. Rather, it falls within meaning of expression, occupation under Article 19(1)(g) of the Constitution of India. That is what they said. So you better go through this and keep it in our file. Right? All right. Then I could not understand an individual political leader addressing a letter to Collegium to stall the transfer of some transfer. Let us not specify. These sort of what we could say eccentric activities of that political leader should be curbed and curtailed. Say
advocates or officers of the court, they can raise their voice if they have some doubt about this transfer, whether this transfer is transfer Crimea or transfer administration. That question doubt arose, they can raise that. And because the Advocate Association is not functioning, and probably it may function tomorrow, there may be a general body meeting, but subject to the authority of AHLA, Senior Council. So all that, let them do it. I do not want to say anything about that unless and until we know the particulars of file which was moved for transfer before the collegium. and collegium are from different parts of India. I do not know there may be victimization or not. Let us hope best. Best wishes.